Managing a large volume of emails can be significantly pain point in our daily lives. Have you ever taken the time to calculate how much of your day is spent dealing with email-related tasks? I'll explore 3 different solutions of using ChatGPT to automatically draft and send out emails. Crafting email content, sending and replying to emails in bulk, organizing and categorizing messages from different channels, and keeping track of project-related emails all demand significant effort. Can email management be automated by using AI? With the power of AI and automation, we can not only manage our emails more efficiently, but also automate the process of writing, sending, and drafting replies. Let's try to use ChatGPT to take over our emails drafting and sending. Hi there, I'm Day, a digital marketer. On my channel, I share insights on digital marketing, AI, and automation. If you find these topics intriguing, feel free to like and subscribe. Now let's dive in. Firstly, let's explore the integration of automatic email sending using ChatGPT Plus plugin. Imagine you have a few emails that you're not sure how to respond to. Instead of getting answers from ChatGPT and then logging into your personal email account, you can ask ChatGPT for assistance in crafting suitable replies and send an email from ChatGPT interface without the need of manual login. To utilize this scenario, you'll need a ChatGPT Plus account and install the Zapier plugin. As of now, using Zapier plugin with ChatGPT Plus doesn't incur any additional charges. After logging into your Zapier configuration interface, authorize the email account you want to use for automatic email sending. Open a new conversation window, select the GPT-4 model, and choose Zapier plugin. Next, provide the names and email addresses of the people you want to send emails to directly in the ChatGPT window. With this setup, ChatGPT can compose and send emails on your behalf. What's more, you can let ChatGPT search for email addresses in your database, whether it's Google Sheet, Airtable, or HubSpot. ChatGPT can draft the content and reply directly for you. This approach is suitable for handling a small number of emails using ChatGPT for processing and replying. In terms of cost, this automatic email sending method requires a $20 monthly subscription fee for ChatGPT Plus. And currently, there are no additional charges for using Zapier plugin within GPT Plus. The second way involves using ChatGPT to be triggered by a change in database and automatically send emails. This is applicable when you need customized email content for each customer. The customization mainly involves personalizing the name, the product or service, while the main email content remains relatively fixed. By implementing automation configuration, you can trigger ChatGPT to generate email content based on pre-written prompts as soon as you enter or update customer information in your database, like Airtable or Google Sheet. The email is then automatically sent. To use this setup, you need an API key from your OpenAI account. Log into your personal account and check if you have available API usage limits. Through Zapier, you can establish a connection between OpenAI, the database, and your email sending tool. For example, once a new customer record is added to your Google Sheet, Zapier's automation flow will trigger and send the data to ChatGPT for email content creation and email sending. But if the email content is too long, it may cause errors in the automation. Also, make sure that you have enough API usage limits if you want to have a large amount of data to deal with. In terms of cost, this setup requires at least a $20 monthly subscription fee for Zapier's starter version, along with the API key and sufficient API usage limits. The third option is suitable for those who want ChatGPT to take over their email box completely. For example, if you spend a significant amount of time writing emails daily, having ChatGPT act as a personal assistant to draft email responses or directly send emails can save you a lot of time and effort. To implement this, you also need an available OpenAI API usage limit and a paid Zapier account. For email platforms, you can choose either Outlook or Google Suite. By connecting Zapier, every time you receive a new email, ChatGPT can draft the reply and automatically send it on your behalf. Attention! Please be aware that sending long text emails may occur automation error. Also, I believe there will soon be a time when everyone can use the official AI Copilot in Outlook or Gmail. Same as the second option, the cost for the third setup is mainly associated with the Zapier account and API usage limits. That's all for today. If you find it interesting, I highly recommend you to give it a try. Stay tuned as I continue to explore the exciting development of AI and automation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next one.